Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel, and today also we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and fix your Instagram not working problem in your iPhone. But before we start that video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply start our video. So if you're having the Instagram not working problem, then what you gotta do is simply just go to your app store right there in your mobile phone, go to search, simply type in the Instagram and check if your app is updated or not. Go ahead, tap it, and as you can see, it's up, it says open. That means your app is up to date. You do not have to go ahead and update again. If that's not the case, what you gotta do is simply go back, and if it's not, even if it's this small issue, simply go ahead and check your internet connection. If you're on your Wi-Fi, simply go ahead, switch to your data instead if it's not working, and again go back to Instagram and try to log in. And the other thing that you can make sure is go to your settings option. Go to this option called general here in your settings, and then you will go to this option called iPhone storage, and then you will simply find your app right there in the list, and then you will be able to this Offload app. Right in the description as well, you can read this will free up storage used by the app, which is sometimes the storage that you have unnecessarily kept in your app can cause the lagging and the some of the errors in your app right there. So what you gotta do is simply go ahead and you will offload your app, again reconfirm, and this will also help your app to work out a little better. So yes guys, this way you will simply be able to solve your problem of your Instagram not working. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.